We are walking to the Khan el Khalili market by way of Al-Muiz Street. We start at the Bab el-Fatua Gate, a rounded medieval fortification built in 1087 to protect the walled Fatimid city of Al-Qahira. It serves as the entrance to Al-Muiz Street. You'll first pass by the Mosque of Al-Hakim, a space that has had a myriad of purposes through time, including as a prison, a stable, a warehouse for Napoleon, and a school. You continue on to the heart of the neighborhood. This is quintessential Old Cairo. Wandering here, you find yourself in a symphony of sights, sounds, textures, and smells. When you close your eyes and imagine walking down a street in Cairo, this is it. Trinkets hang in shop stalls. Feral cats and dogs roam the streets, unfazed by the walkers-by. Part cultural neighborhood, part shopping district, part open-air museum. This area was added to the Unesco World Heritage List in 1979. It was in these streets that Cairo's most celebrated Nobel Prize-winning writer, Naguib Mahfouz, set his Cairo series, the Palace Walk Trilogy. Much has changed since he lived here, but in a broader sense, everything remains much the same as it has for hundreds of years. Hawkers push their goods, minarets dot the landscape, people come and go, carrying on with their daily lives. There is no reality in the world except for change. So said Naguib Mahfouz, and in that way, this neighborhood is one that he would still recognize today. The streets here are narrow and winding, with vendors pouring out into the alleyways. There are shops everywhere, some selling legitimate sundries to locals, but most are peddling tacky, touristy crap. Scarves, magnets, tchotchkes, statues, t-shirts, shot glasses, lamps, ashtrays, belly dancing outfits, and miscellaneous bric-a-brac fill every square inch of space. Shop owners would first try to speak to us in English, and if we didn't respond, they would try any other host of languages we hear: Spanish, German, and I'm pretty sure one guy speaks to me in Dutch. The shop owners can be a little pushy, but honestly, I kind of feel like part of it is more of a show now because it's what people expect. But honestly, it can be kind of fun. The bartering process, if you think of it like a game, can be kind of fun. And if you don't want something, just say la or no, politely but firmly, and you shouldn't have any issues. As Paul Theroux said, in Cairo, there was a thin line between pestering and hospitality. Indeed, they often amounted to the same thing. We continue on, undaunted, hands in our pockets, and as we meander our way out of the main touristy drag, the pressure lowers. It's easy and a little fun to get temporarily lost here.